What's up, Animish? I was looking at this trade. It barely got stopped out a couple hours ago. Got an odd chef. Let's go at a $500 TP right up here. $500 TP right here. We get stopped on this wick. Pretty gross. I'll be running $300 in profit right now. We have a buy on US30. Buy on US30 right here. I think US30 might be going to 34,722. Go for a TP up here at 34,722. We're out to open too. Might get a big jump up to that quick TP, maybe. I'm up $100 already. Since we're a minute to the open, I better set break even, because if we spike down, it's gonna definitely get a hit stop loss. So let's hope we get the spike up for 20 seconds, yo. That'd be pretty sweet if we hit our TP that fast, guys. Can we get lucky and get the open? Five seconds. Will our destiny be met with TP or stop loss? I'm taking profit. Close $223. Woo! Let's go. Let's go. Just close a quick $223 just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Is that how $200 trades are gonna come to us? Holy fuck. Nice 1 to 4 risk reward. I'm back to $50 risk per trade for a while. Try to get another 104. We do have some bearish divergence though right now. Could keep going, but we're not getting greedy. No greed today. We're happy with a couple 104s. I forgot to do my thumbnail for YouTube. Hey, what's up, Curtis? Yeah, my big fucking profit was right here though. Shit. Ugh. I entered this 4-hour Kangaroo Tail. Where's it at? Yes, 4-hour Kangaroo Tail yesterday on Odd Chef. Perfect analysis. Look at this Kangaroo Tail. Zone extending, or tail extending past the zone. Look on the daily. Last time price was there back in February. Perfect daily zone. I had a TP for, I was going for 500 bucks, risking 100 or 500 on this one. But I got stopped out right there. I set break even in the middle of the night. I woke up, saw I was up a decent amount. So I decided to do set break even. Yeah, I woke up at like 2 o'clock in the morning. Around here. It's like, okay, I'm like halfway there. So I set break even, right? Like, I think that was a good spot to set break even. Because I'm like halfway, I'm almost halfway to my TP. I'm like, okay, I'll break even and we get that little wick. Yeah, it's pretty unlucky. I mean, But the scanner does come in clutch for catching or yeah, catching a pretty good move. Alright, I'm excited to use the scanner more. I mean, this makes it so easy to trade, you have no idea. Yeah, see, look at that. 1 hour scanner. That's a big drop for Euro. You do. I might get stopped out there, but shit. What else came around? Well, that was the challenge when I was trying to trade Forex before. It's hard to find setups. NASDAQ reaching the next zone. Let's pay attention for a third trend line touch. I would do a couple scanner giveaways. But I'm gonna be selling it. Just imagine if that one would hit. I mean, would have made over $1,000 on the scanner just on Forex pairs this week alone. I might have to do like a 30-minute stream every night just for Forex swing trades. I don't know how to trade US30 and NASDAQ during Tokyo. I have no fucking clue. It's so tricky. US30 might be running though all morning. We took that quick $200 though right at the open. If anybody missed it, this is the trade we took right at the open. Quick 1 to 4. Alright, NASDAQ just hit that zone. Could go to the next zone. So that's 13,676. Yeah. And the next zone is 716, so NASDAQ could reject, hit this trend line and continue back up. Because we got the open price is right here. Here's the open price. We could come down, bounce off this trend line, and continue going up. Oh yeah, Miles, that was my goal today. Before I got on stream, I was like, let's try to catch a couple 4 hours. No home runs on a Friday. I already had my home run chance right here. Maybe word of advice, I shouldn't wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning and set break even again. Just let that shit ride. Because that'd be up 350 bucks right now. Because I was up $200, Ganja. I was up 2 hours. Yeah, Ben Morgan. He's NGOT? Wait, where's it broker? Yeah. Hold on, let me get that link. NGOT is the best to trade indices because you can trade with minimal risk, one contract size as opposed to 100. And we're almost at 5,000 members. Almost. I've educated almost 5,000 people about Kangaroo Tails. Okay. Oh, Ben, so you know about the NGOT pip counts? Here's the pip values if you want to look. Get the breakdown on the spreadsheet. $3 in margin just to trade one micro. Do we got a bullish flag printing on US30? Yeah, does it still count as divergence? Even though on the force index it dipped down lower right here? Yeah, there's 1 minute. Well, yep, 1 minute divergence on NASDAQ. I see that right quick. Looks like it wants to go to this zone, 716. Fuck, I'm running out of zones. After 34,716, would NASDAQ go for a new high today? Next zone is just up here. Shit. We might be going up there. What do you think, Ganja? NASDAQ to fill up there on the high? 13,760. It's NFP though. I don't even know what kind of news came out today. Was it good news today or bad news? That's gross. Odd Chef still going? Still going. Still going. I want to get the pip count. How many pips I actually got stopped by? Let's see. So I got stopped by 0.8 pips. 0.8 pips, yo. It's either going to be 200 or 300. The time has come where I am finally going to sell my own thing. It just came. Took 18 months. 18 months for me to finally just have my own product. No one else's product to promote, but my own shit designed how I wanted to. And I gotta ask myself, is this scanner worth $200? It is. All I know is it's gonna be priced lower than what I actually had to pay for. So it is fair in that sense. Yeah, I may have gotten out at the perfect time on US30. Yeah, Ben. In hindsight, it makes you say, oh, you shouldn't have moved your break even. But honestly, I don't think there was anything wrong with my break even. I mean, I'm up $200, right? It's 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. NFP is on my mind, so I'm like, we better set break even because what NFP news might make something go down. But wait a minute. Did I get stopped out at NFP? Let me see. Oh yeah, I got stopped out on the NFP candle. Okay. So that makes sense. But that makes sense. It stopped out on the NFP candle, but Odd Chef was going to go up anyways. So brief bad news, and then boom, takes off. Yeah, I gotta think about it. Hey, Paul. Either $200 or $300. Kangaroo Tail, 8 seconds to the close. I got time to bring up some lines. Double bottom. There's bullish divergence. There's bullish divergence. 5 micros. I'm gonna buy. We're gonna risk 50. And we want the instant jump up. So we got bullish divergence and a bullish Kangaroo Tail. I don't want to move my stop down a little bit. But I'm just looking for the instant jump up. Especially with that bullish divergence. Right here. This is the bullish divergence I'm looking for. Risky stop, but you know what? My execution of entering that trade was spot on. I did not hesitate there. Yesterday I hesitated on a NASDAQ trade during lunchtime, and it cost me extra $150. I'll show you that too. Back, I'll just pull it up right now. Hold on, there's a bunch of alerts. NASDAQ 5 minute. Yeah, look at that. Even if we had a wider stop, we're still losing. That's why I don't care about the tight stop. We want the instant jump up. NASDAQ had a... focus on NASDAQ real quick. Alright. I don't see bullish or bearish divergence on the 5 minute. Was there still bearish divergence on the 1 minute? Yeah, there's bearish divergence on the 1 minute. 5 minute Kangaroo Tail to sell. Do we sell right now? See, I'm hesitating because of this momentum on the 5 minute, but we do got bearish divergence on the 1 minute. I better get some lines up though, fast. Better get some lines up ASAP. Do we sell NASDAQ right now? You're in sells? I'm just looking up here at this wick. Not the wick, but the high. So I need to go in at about four standards. Or that would be 50. Hold up, we got some green candle printing. We got a green candle printing. Hold on, green candle going up. Green candle going up. I'm not in yet, I'm just waiting. What's up, BK Soonaware? Okay, that 5 minute kangaroo might bust. I think my intuition just stopped me from fucking entering. My intuition stopped me from fucking entering. Yeah, that's the only way I did not enter right there. I just prevented a loss Yeah, plus, I mean, the 13-7-16 zone, we're in the middle of a fucking zone. We're gonna go up just a little bit more, I think. Oh, odd chef, almost there. We might have 2 Kangaroo Tails, though. If we have 2 Kangaroo Tails, that's gonna be really, really interesting. Hold on, maybe we need to readjust that zone. Because you do got some points here on the line chart. Alright, I'm gonna readjust the zone. Price is hitting here too. Right where we're at, 13,700. I think we are gonna drop, just not right here. Big bearish divergence. Plus we got this trend line. We're about to hit major resistance. Let me show you this trade yesterday I took. So right here yesterday, NASDAQ, like 20 minutes before the close, this Kangaroo Tail came. You can see there's bearish divergence too right here. Okay, bearish divergence. I didn't notice that. And you see that I'm waiting. There's bearish divergence. I'm gonna go in. But this is when I first noticed, okay? Look at the timestamp. 40, 50. Where's my lines? 50. I've already wasted about 5 seconds here. And there, I've wasted about 10 seconds already. Which would be about 10 standards. Look at that, I've wasted 15 seconds now. I should have already fucking entered. Okay, that's 22 seconds now. There's bearish divergence. I'm gonna go in. And then when I finally noticed there's bearish divergence 37 seconds in. And look at my entry is way late. 3 R's right here. But look at how fast that shit just dumped. That shit just dumped. It cost me an extra 150 to 200 bucks right there by late entry, but that shit just dumped. If you're still in, so I got to work on my execution speed. I got to keep it consistent. Like this other US30 one, I didn't waste time. I saw divergence, I entered right away. I saw this one, I entered right away. Oh, I didn't realize this. US30 has a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Daily bullish. And we did hit this trend line. Look at this fake out on the trend line. But not, I mean, it's only second touch though. shit. NASDAQ might be making new highs today. Unexpectedly. Bearish Kangaroo Tail on... I don't see bearish divergence. US30 could drop, but I'm bullish after seeing that bullish daily tail. $13,760 is a strong daily zone though. Not one fucking Kangaroo Tail on NASDAQ. Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence right now. Strong uptrend. Bearish divergence. 4. I gotta go in on 4. I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell this, guys. Bearish divergence. I would not get greedy with this trade, though. I would not get greedy with this trade at all. I gotta trade this one with bearish divergence and a Kangaroo Tail. Like, I gotta take this one every fucking time. Especially after a big rally like this. I do not trade gold yet, Fatmer. It may change if I see some good setups on the scanner. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. You guys can tell me. You all can tell me this is a perfect setup. Bearish divergence, bearish Kangaroo Tail. Don't doubt the setup. Take the setups. I gotta respond to this YouTube comment. Bearish divergence on 5 minute now too. So bearish divergence on 1 minute and 5 minute. Will we get the drop we're looking for? Maybe. I mean, we've been sideways for 5 days or 5 candles now. Yeah, shoddy. Could be a bull flag. Obviously here we're just hoping for that little short retracement. Not going for a home run here. Just going for 4 R's. Might have to put it down to 3 R's. Yeah, honestly, I'm gonna set my TP to 3 R's. I think 4 R's might be a little too greedy. So TP is gonna be right here. Let me make a green line. Yeah, I'm gonna go for 3 R's, not 4. TP 13,696. Will that break even after 1 R? No, why? It's just because there's so many different data sets. There's like 20 or 30 different data sets for indices. Different banks, different liquidities. If your broker doesn't show, I would still enter this trade. I would still enter it. You see this guy on YouTube talking about the scammer video. He says, "I only hope you're the best trader in the world, bro. Do not judge, man." So I said, LOL. So being the best trader in the world relates to exposing scammers? I apologize that you live under a fucking rock. That is my response. You flash a Lambo, you're a fucking scammer. Oh, strong bullish candle. That can't be good. That cannot be good. Odd chef, almost there. Stopped by 0.7 or 0.8 pips for a $500 TP. Pretty gross. Bearish candle on US30, but I ain't gonna sell that. We're already in the sell on NASDAQ. One sell on the NSE is enough at this point. Yeah, Miles, the bulls are still trying to push up right now. It's a battle right now. We could still potentially win this trade, or we could lose. Yeah, I'm not gonna sell this candle in US30. Watch it drops 10 Rs. Yeah, next week I'm gonna start doing 30-minute night streams, only to look for the Forex swing trades on the scanner. I mean, we've been sideways for 10 minutes now. I mean, maybe a Friday consolidation a little bit. Uh, 7:30 Pacific, probably. 7:30 p.m. Pacific. And I won't be looking at any indices at that time, because I don't know how to trade indices during that time. Aid Paul, I entered this one from the scanner, this 4-hour Odd Chef Kangaroo Tail right here. This is a textbook Kangaroo Tail. 4-hour on a daily zone, extending past the zone. I entered right there. NFP though, NFP unfortunately stopped me out by 0.8 pips. My TP's up here. My TP was up there for $500. I was risking 100 on it. I set break even after I was up 200. And I woke up and fucking NFP. NFP got me. So on that one, I would have been up 350. What is that? No, I would have been up about $400 right now. Or close to it. And then I was in another one. I decided to get out because it wasn't going anywhere today. When was it? This one. I decided to close this one. Where's it at? I think it was on the 4-hour. No, I entered here on a 30-minute Kangaroo Tail last night from the scanner. It was up like $50 at one time. But after I saw it reverse this morning, I just got out before I hit my stop loss. So, I mean, that one was not the worst setup. Because there was a 4-hour Kangaroo Tail right here. What the fuck is NASDAQ gonna do? 12 minutes we've been sideways. God damn it. Ah, there we go. We're out of it. It was worth a try. Yeah, I'm taking whatever shows up on the scanner, Carlos. My big one the other day, the $500 on Odd Chef. think it was Odd Chef. Or was it Odd? Or was it Odd Cat? No, it's USD Chef. USD Chef, I entered off a 30-minute Kangaroo Tail on Wednesday night and made $500 off it. Wow, look at that M on USD Chef. Looks like there was a Kangaroo Tail there too. That was definitely a kangaroo up there. Here in London, it just dropped. Oh yeah, the scanner notified me of this 30-minute Kangaroo Tail. We risked 100. TP was up for 500. Boom, smashed. Yeah, that 30-minute, it was on a, it was actually, that 30-minute candle was actually on a daily zone, and there was divergence on it. Well, let me see where that divergence was. Where the hell was it? I gotta remember where I marked it up at. Was it? Trying to remember where I marked that divergence up at. Or whether I just entered based off the daily support and resistance. There may have not been divergence, no. The only bullish divergence is right here. So there was bullish divergence right there, but not over there. And then I had a GBP AUD 30-minute Kangaroo Tail I entered on right here. Might have been 4-hour. No, that was definitely a 30-minute. But this one had This one's perfect. I made 337 on this. But this one, textbook. Bullish divergence with bullish Kangaroo Tail. Smashed my TP for $337. That's gonna be pretty gross if NASDAQ actually hits that TP. It's gonna be gross. This is the first week I actually started trading Forex since last year. And go figure, my first 3 days I'm winning. It's funny how Joe Biden only has 1,000 people ready to watch. That is hilarious. How does the guy with the most votes in so-called history only have a fucking 1,000 people ready to watch? And you only got 1,000 fucking viewers ready. He's gonna do some stuff I probably shouldn't say on stream. Shit. I have not checked TradingView today. Like another kangaroo just printed on NASDAQ. Yeah, it did. What kind of pattern, Alzo? That might have been the kangaroo to take. Let's see. Well, if I wasn't, I would have set break even after 1 hour at least. Yeah, we have a CAD. We had a CAD JPY candle. And we got caught slipping. I should have checked the scanner right away. But would I have actually entered that one? Hard to say. Hard to say if I would have actually entered that one though. I mean, I don't think I would enter that. It's easy to see hindsight, but that doesn't look like a good one according to rules. Oh, yeah, Martin, I wouldn't have personally taken that one. I've taken candles where there's only been like 4 or 5 candles to the left, though. Kind of lightened up those rules if the market is trending. Let me find an example. Where's the trending Kangaroo Tail? Oh, that's a good one last night. Well, I can't find a good example of a trending one. Yeah, I cannot find an example of one. Bullish flag trying to print. I discovered Kangaroo Tails on the Naked FOREX book. And then I read the book Coming to My Trading Room. The original guy who came up with Kangaroo Tails is this guy. Come into my trading room, Alexander Elder, in this book. He talks about trading Kangaroo Tails 25 years ago with Force Index and in combination with Kangaroo Tails. But the Naked FOREX guy came up with the rules for what the official criteria would be. Renting the scanner monthly? I don't think I'll personally rent it out for monthly. I'd rather just do lifetime. Because I don't want to deal with people messaging me saying they forgot to cancel and then subscribe and then do chargebacks and all that. So I kind of don't want to deal with the monthly plan hassle of customer support. Plus, doing a monthly plan is like just automatically saying, okay, someone's gonna try it, but they might not try it for longer than a month. But if you buy it for a lifetime, you got that shit forever. All right, let's drop this flag. That's a Super Mario bullish flag. And honestly, a free trial plan is it'll be watching my nightly streams, 30-minute setups. 30-minute streams, finding the forex setups. That would like officially be a trial. We'll look at every one and we'll decide which ones look good to take. And hold them for a minimum, at least until the morning time. Okay, we're trying to make a new emote for Twitch. We need the Super Mario character flying up on screen. But this flag might be breaking out right now, though. Let's see. Let me put the Twitch emotes up. Question is, how many other traders notice a bullish flag on NASDAQ? Quite a few. Quite a few, I'd guess. Would the market give people this easy of a trade, though? Maybe, if a lot of people are trying to short right now. Interesting. Interesting. If we look at the 15-minute, looks like a turnaround wants to come. I mean, look how many times prices came back a little bit. It makes sense to see a little bit of a drop. See how, like, over here, price went up, went sideways, and dropped. But right now we're on a major hourly zone. Bullish flag would be a buy right now. Do I want to buy a bullish flag though? Might do a bullish flag buy. Maybe. Maybe. to buy a bullish flag. It wouldn't be a bad buy. Alright, I like what I see. For some reason I like what I see, so I'm going to buy this bullish flag. I'm going with what the chart shows me. It shows a bullish flag breakout is coming. I mean, third triple top, right? Let's analyze this. Triple top. So, if it clears this zone, we're going to continue going, right? I think so. Is the rally over? This is the moment of truth right here for the morning. Either going to be a break-even morning right here, or we're going to be up another 2 or 300. Yeah, bull flag with resistance here. Good game to me. That's the last trade I'm going to take today, guys. It's Friday. I'm not going to overtrade. My trading day is officially over right now. And I finished the day down $2. After our instant $200 trade for the morning, including my $80 Forex loss. Could have been a big day if I didn't get stopped here. That's unfortunate. So very, very, very close to having a $600 or $700 day. So close. Before I get off, I'll review the first trades I took today. Review the trades we took this morning. Took the easy buy right here. Kangaroo Tail out the open. Take a quick 4 hours there. The next trade, I take a 5-minute Kangaroo Tail. Or, I mean, a 1 minute. We lose that one. I don't think that was a bad one to take. NASDAQ, we sold this tail with a bearish divergence. I don't think it was a bad setup. And then this buy, I don't think it was a bad buy. Bullish flag broke out. It could have kept continuing up. And then, of course, Odd Chef, we'd be up $400 on that right now. Damn, 0.8 pips is the difference between break even and $400 or $500. Maybe, Paul, maybe. I gotta do a lot of thinking about that. If someone comes in a lifetime, they gotta use the scanner. If someone comes in a monthly, they might give up after a month or a week. Yeah, Miles, I could reduce. Let's see if NASDAQ breaks out of here after stopping us out. I'm gonna call this trade the Haunted Kangaroo Tail trade, just so I can always remember this one. Fucking brutal though, honestly. Miles will automatically make more money than I do trading selling indicator. Unless I'm making $1,000 every day trading. You gotta remember who made the most money during the gold rush. It's always the people selling the tools. No matter what tools it is, who makes the most money in the gold rush? I mean, you could still be making money trading. I think the only person that makes more money trading than actually selling signals is Justin. Justin, I know, makes some good money selling his products, but he makes a shit ton trading. He showed me a fucking $10,000 trade the other day. I'm like, what the hell? You're making $10,000 overnight? So, I think once I'm at Justin's level, I'll be able to have $10,000 days. Yeah, Paul. I think Forex. It's gonna diversify my risk. If I have a losing day on NSEs, I may have a losing or a winning night on Forex. Just like this. If it wasn't for NFP, we're winning this trade if it was not for NFP. If I make $20,000 selling the indicator, it's not going to change me as a trader. I'm still going to be trading. And I'll put that money in my trading account. Trade bigger, scale up. Plus, I'm trying to get the fuck out of California. I need to make as much money as I can from trading, doing my affiliate stuff as I can. Get the fuck out of California. Miles, I think my final price will be based on results in the next couple of weeks from Forex. Per week, I gotta pay a coder to get the automatic licensing in. Yeah, it's either gonna be $200 or $300, Miles. But that's gonna be based on how much results I actually have next week. The regular, because the guy who sells the regular Kangaroo Tail indicator, that's 147. And I'd say there's definitely more value in the scanner than just the indicator, because the indicator, I mean, we get the alerts. The indicator gives us alerts, but the scanner has the option to not only give us alerts, but to scan. So I believe this is a better product. Plus, the room to the left bars actually works better. And who knows, maybe I'll get maybe RooScan version 2.0. I'll have divergence filters on, so it'll only scan for Kangaroo Tails with divergence. So I could see that being the future RooScan version 2.0. Run this one for a few months and see how hard it would be to get somebody to program it for divergence filters. Yeah. But there'll be a fine line, because I understand people have smaller accounts, so someone with a $100 account may not want to pay $300 or $200. But what a smaller account does have the option is they can still always use the regular Kangaroo Tail indicator, $17 a month. Remember too, I only started with a $100 account. Do those compounding deposits. I don't know. I want to go somewhere better than California. Florida wouldn't be a bad option. Plus, there's a shit ton of business opportunities in Florida, right? Yeah, Florida doesn't have certain taxes. Florida's taxes are cheaper than California. I'll say that. Miles, my goal is to have a $100,000 account and shoot for 4 or 5% every month on average. And be able to withdraw those profits. $4,000 to $5,000 is enough just to live off of. Plus, I got my Bitcoin investments. I got my product referrals going. So, $4,000, $5,000 is enough to live on. Plus, if you got those other side hustles, you'll be making $15,000, $20,000 a month. I really gotta fucking make some more poker videos though. So you guys might be seeing me do like 4 or 5 different poker videos before I do more trading videos. I made $2,000 last month just for my old America's Card Room poker videos, and I haven't done America's Card Room video in like 6 or 7 months. Yeah, my last poker video was 7 months ago. And because of these old poker videos, I made $2,000 last month. This is the video that launched my YouTube career right here. The very first one. The very, very first one. What, odd NZD, the first one, or odd chef? Oh, ganja. This one I was actually in the cell here. My TP was down here. So I was actually in the cell. Wait, which one? AU? Yeah, odd NZD, right? Yeah, I was in the original cell here, ganja. But what is gonna hit my TP is the odd chef. Odd chef is gonna hit my TP. Maybe. Be red though. What's up, Delvani? Oh, NASDAQ just all chop right now. Yeah, it just needs to go up 9 more pips, 8 more pips. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna get off now. Get that early breakfast. Let's get back to it on Monday. We'll do those 30-minute night streams, 7:30 p.m. Pacific, starting Monday night for the Forex scans. Trade indices in the morning, Forex at night. Delvani, we're talking about odd chef. I got in at the bottom here, but fucking got stopped out on this wick on NFP right here by 0.8 pips. So I'm feeling a little disgusted right there, Delvani. Slightly annoyed. Maybe I want to break some shit. Maybe. Alright, y'all. Everybody have a good rest of the weekend. I'm gonna hop off now. I gotta get some shit done early today. slightly profitable day for the indices, but the Forex loss put me down $2 for the day. But I'm up I'm up $50 for indices on the morning. Hell yeah, Delvani. Later, everyone.
You can put